Okay guys, I am back. So I've got all of my orange cups lined up where I'm going to plant it. So basically I'm just going to move the cup, drill the hole, stick the cup back in, just, you know, for starters, and then plant them all at the same time. I went to the local garden center and I got this Echinacea. It's called Marmalade. Hold on a second. It's called Cone-fections Marmalade. And so it's a two-toned Echinacea. They only had one, so I got one. And then I got, I think it's pronounced Agastache. I'll put it on the screen. I think it's also known as hummingbird mint. It is orange, but it's got more of a, it's a softer orange. Then over here, one of my chrysanthemums that I got from Rilestone I'm putting on the side. This one I think is called Peace. No, excuse me, Royal Glamour. So it's a peach flower. So that's gonna go back there. So as you can see, I've got the hollies with the germander planted to section this off into two sections. And so at the edge between the germander hedge, I've got pink surprise calendula all the way down. And then behind it in the left section, I've got peach scented 4 o'clocks. I've also got Chamois Tower Asters, which is this one right here. And then I've got some frosted salmon peony poppies. And then I have Chantilly Snapdragons on this side. And I've got the giant Mammoth salmon cream sweet pea back there on the trellises. And then on the right section, let's see, I've got butterfly Snapdragon. I've got orange sherbet carnations. And I've got more of, I do have a couple of, yeah, I've got peach scented, the peach 4 o'clocks. And let's see, in terms of dahlias, I have color spectacle. I've got 3 color spectacle on this side. And then on this side, let's see, I did Alfred, Grille, which is right there, and then Apricot Star. And they're both cactus dahlias. They're more of an apricot color. So that's what I got over here. I do have some leftovers. And so I've got more of the Calendula plus Chantilly Snapdragon. So I'm going to go put those in the sunset garden because those colors will match. And yeah, so I'm ready to go. So let's see. Looks like I've got 80 minutes still on this. So I'm going to set up the camera and put it on time lapse. And there's the pooch who is sitting in the shade. Are you happy, Bumpy? And guys, last but not least, I also have some Gladiolus that I'm going to be putting in the back row. I'm just going to fill it in around everything. So the bed should be extraordinarily full, and hopefully it'll be so full I don't have to worry about weeding. So after I do that, then I'll mulch it. Actually, I'm going to put some fertilizer down, and then I'm going to mulch it. And thankfully, all of these are big enough that I don't have to worry so much about damaging or burying the plants with the fertilizer. The mulch. Okay guys, I'm going in for an ice pop.